In this video, I am going to show you how to install one of these mini diffusers in your car. This particular one is from Refresh Your Car. Many different brands make some kind of version of these. This one's just a mini diffuser that you clip onto your air vent. We're going to open it right now. So this one comes with 2 mini diffusers and 2 clips. Now what you have to do is get the end of this clip, slide it in here. Just like that. Next thing is to pull this tab out. This tab is what's preventing the smell from exiting or escaping the diffuser. So the smell is coming out the back of this plastic. So it's semi-permeable. Determine how long you want these to last and how strong do you want the smell to be in your car. I'm only gonna open it slightly because I don't want a whole bunch of scent just blowing me right in the face. Now you can install it on any of your vents. You can install in these vents. You might be able to install it on the vents under your seat, which would be good for people with stinky feet that take off their shoes after soccer practice. Fortunately, I don't have to deal with any of that. My car is actually missing 2 HVAC vents, missing 2 of the controls. So I'm going to install it right in its place and pretend that it was meant to be. So I'm just going to cover it up, make it look all nice. We're going to try to make it straight, and that looks pretty good. Knobs over there got these diffusers on the driver's side, which is very driver focused. Now I can say this is a pretty driver focused interior. You've got this column here rising over. You've got the diffusers just for the driver. Very driver focused, I like it. Handbrake on the driver's side, very driver focused. You've got the controls right here, very driver focused. So that's how you install mini diffusers in your car. It'll help make your car smell better, and it'll make your car smell better. So thanks for watching. I hope you benefited from this video. Leave a like if you actually needed help on how to install these, and watch the whole video, because that'll help me know that I actually helped some people. This is pretty old. I'm gonna throw that away. It's a scent block. It still smells good, by the way. So I'm actually gonna leave it.